2001.
Okay.
Amy Winehouse in 07. And the Lumineers in 2012.
There was a
The
dog
South by Southwest
named
Music Festival in
Gremlin.
Austin is
The
known
famous
for introducing
dog
the world to what's next
of
in
the
music. And
world.
this year, you've got total access. Discover the music, meet the artists, and hear
Boy,
exclusive
was
performances. South by Southwest
she
Radio, coming to Sirius
is
XM
the most cutest, so
tomorrow.
I think
Find
she'll
it
do
on
it.
Sirius
So,
XMU, Channel 35. And also on
watch
the
this
Sirius
dog
XM
walk
app.
around
Hey
with a
guys,
short
I'm gonna
video
give you an
of the dog and
opportunity
the
that'll
walking
blow
around.
your mind.
So,
It's called Code Red 7, a brand new intimacy product for men. Now you don't have to wait 30 minutes for the old pill to kick in. No runny nose, no red face, and no prescription because
he
it's
is
not a
still
drug. Code Red
loving.
7 will work for you in as little as 7 seconds. This product is
TJ
amazing
Puff.
because
You
it's
see your brother and
self-immediate.
sister?
Literally 7 seconds.
What?
Don't take my word. Listen to this.
Code Red 7 starts
TJ
immediately.
Puffs.
No more waiting. It works like
Oh,
film at the snap of a
Riddle
finger.
game.
Code Red 7 is flying
Oh,
off the
what
warehouse
you doing,
shelves.
Barry?
Call immediately to find
doing?
out how to get your free supply. Your call will be kept
No,
private
at lunch.
under a Code Red 7 privacy protection promise. Instant
Oh,
intimacy
it's
for
so
you and your
cute.
loved one.
Call 800-980-8290 immediately. 800-980-8290. That's
Okay.
800-980-8290 right
So the video's
now.
over.